trying to cut right back where you put in the solder?
Yeah, I'm just cutting a little bit off each side. Well, I mean, if you want to get technical, the easiest way to measure, cut through the ring. So if I want to do a quarter size, so like 625, and then make a mark. You basically just take a tiny little fraction out of there. So you can see just a little tiny bit come out. But when you cut it, like, it's easier than trying to like get, you know, like when I was removing whatever 12, almost 13 millimeters. I didn't just put this on top of the ring like that and scribe it. I cut one side and I straighten it out and then measure it that way because the curve's going to throw it off. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller than I think I need it because you can always pound it up a little bit. Of course, that happens when you have like a half a millimeter saw through. What the hell?
Those are like the crappiest saw blades in the history of time. How many did you break the other night? Like
oh my
6
god,
or
like
8?
yeah, for like nothing. What was like? Oh, I was cutting those screws off of that thing. Oh, that was so irritating. I was pissed.
She was ready to start flinging
I was
things.
pissed. Well, sometimes it just happens like that, where you have like, you know, just a tiny little area to saw through.
I've broken 4 saw blades this morning just on silver.
Yeah. Irritating. I'm just taking a parallel file. I'm kind of spreading it out with my fingers. I've got it so it's pretty close together, but not enough for a file to fit through. So I just kind of spread it out with my fingers a little bit. This is a really fine file. So you get a nice parallel seam there. And then to put the tension on it, like I was saying before, you kind of put them askew like that. And then bend them like that, just so that they're just past each other a little bit. And then you just with your fingers pull it back like that, and then just even it up so that they're, you know, meeting up and that you can't really see. You know, the goal is to not be able to see any daylight through it, but having tension on it is almost just as important. Okay, another little piece of solder here that I know is easy. Trying to gingerly grab this. I knew I was going to do that. Oh, I see that one.
There it is.
It's right back. These tweezers don't touch at the tips. Oh, none of my tweezers touch at the tips. go through my tools and clean them all up. Okay. Yeah, I'll show you another, probably a better way of doing this without fumbling around forever. Put it in the mandrel. You just stretch it open on there. Yeah, these tweezers are shot, man. Drop it in there, and then push it up. You smart monkey! This is a little bit smaller piece of a solder than I used before because I know that there's already some solder on there, and I don't want to use a lot of solder on there. And all 4 sides. Are you doing it anymore?
I'm videotaping, yeah.
I got Bill's finicky old torch. You notice the way I'm holding it, so I got a finger on each side here and here, so that I can feel if the shanks are getting hot, you know, the shoulder, and then on each side, instead of just holding it like this, because then I couldn't feel if this was getting hot. So, like that. That's how it goes. Yeah. That's good. Now when you have bigger shanks, it gets a little harder to do this because you have to get it hotter. And it can be done, but it usually takes